welcome to class 10 value education class. Let us study the fifth lesson, awake and shine. In this lesson we will understand the importance of knowing one's innate potentialities and hidden talents. God is our creator and he has given each one of us everything what we need. We have to unfold what is inside and let it come out. The moment we discover the hidden treasures within us, we will feel grateful to God, our Creator, and become happy. It is not others who decide our life or character. It is our responsibility to decide our life or character. You might have seen some of your friends who say like, no one loves me, I am good for nothing. We come across with people who live an unhappy life entangled with negative emotions like fear, anger, disappointment, etc. By avoiding these negative emotions, we should try to discover and develop the hidden treasure of knowledge, strength, love that lies within us waiting to be awakened. The ultimate aim of human life is to reach this insight and awareness. You might have heard that newborn babies are the synonyms of fullness. They have a beautiful bond with the Creator and have a passion for life. They have no darkness within, no anger, no disappointment, but only a light without shadow. As we grow, most of us have lost the connection between our inner self and the divine light. We know that in our life problems arise, failures come, but we should understand that troubles are blessings in disguise. Sufferings contribute a lot to our lives. Everyone has darkness and light in their lives. Those who are constantly striving hard to eliminate these drawbacks and pitfalls will be able to bring out the light which is deeply embedded within them. There are exemplary examples of people who have strived hard to bring out the light within them. Haven't you heard about Francis of Assisi? He was a young man who immersed his life in material pleasures. Just a single verse from the Holy Bible changed his life. If you want to be perfect, go sell your possessions and give to the poor and follow me. Francis decided to live this verse, which turned him into goodness and finally made him an evangelist. He lived his life in divinity so much that the world calls him the second Jesus. Have you heard about Dr. Mary Varghese? She was a very efficient doctor and worked in the famous Christian Medical College, Vellore. Once she met with an accident that damaged her spinal cord. Her face was disfigured and her legs were paralyzed. Long days of treatment, pain and conflict put her in a situation of disappointment. Then Dr. Paul Weissenbrand, a world-renowned orthopedic specialist and leprosy surgeon, awakened her heart and encouraged her to be optimistic. With great hope, she sought God's plan for her. She secured a fellowship at the Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation in New York and completed it in the year 1962. On returning India, she started the Rehabilitation Institute in 1966. She began treating patients on wheelchair and conducted minor surgeries. She learned to accept all kinds of patients with genuine compassion and concern. Her presence and treatment touched the hearts and minds of her patients. Yes, dear children, God can use our defects and drawbacks as effective means to fulfill His plan for us. So, dear children, what do we learn from this lesson? We have hidden talents and precious gifts embedded in us. We can experience personal transformation by awakening these gifts and talents within us. All human beings have some sort of problems in their lives, maybe physical, emotional, etc. Whatever be the problem, it can be turned into a blessing. God turns everything for greater good, even our weakness. Accept it and decide to change. It is your decision that changes your life. Thank you.